I'm about to defend Excel spreadsheets like there's no tomorrow. Let's see if an AI sales rep can convince me to use an actual CRM. Hello?
Hi there, this is Jeremy calling from SpotHub CRM. I'm following up on the inquiry you submitted yesterday about CRM solutions. Do you have a few minutes to chat?
Uh, yeah, sure. Make it quick, because I got stuff going on.
Absolutely, I appreciate your time. I see you're currently using spreadsheets for prospect management. How's that working out for you?
They're working just fine. We've been using Excel for years, so our team knows it really well.
I totally get that. Excel has its strengths, and it's great for calculations and data storage. But here's the thing. SpotHub exists to take that a step further. We automatically capture every prospect and track every interaction, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Our customers see 40% more qualified prospects in just 90 days. Imagine what that could do for your business. Let me show you how we can fix this for you.
Well, Jeremy, I appreciate it, but honestly, we don't really need fixing. Our Excel system works perfectly fine. Everyone knows the team and how they know how to use it, and it does everything we need it to do, really.
I hear that a lot, and I appreciate your loyalty to Excel. But let me ask you this. When your prospect volume doubles next year, how are you going to handle that in a spreadsheet? I've seen companies hit that wall where Excel just can't keep up. How many prospects are you managing right now?
We're handling, I'd say, around 50 to 100 a month. Our spreadsheet tracks everything we need. Names, contact info, follow-up dates. It's just simple and works.
Okay, I get that. But let me ask you this. How much time does your team spend each week updating that spreadsheet? Because I'm betting it's more than you think. What happens when someone forgets to update a follow-up date, or when two people try to call the same prospect? Excel is great at storing data, but it's terrible at preventing human error. What's the cost of one missed opportunity?
Look, Jeremy, we're organized people. We have a system and everyone follows it. Sure, maybe we miss something once in a while, but that's just part of business. We don't need some complicated software.
I respect that you're organized, but here's what concerns me. You're basically running a manual operation in 2025 while you're spending hours each week updating spreadsheets. Your competitors are using automation to follow up instantly. How long does it take to manually enter a new prospect and set up follow-up reminders? Because SpotHub does that in 3 seconds automatically. Are you really okay with being at a disadvantage?
Jeremy, I get what you're saying, but we're really happy with our current process. I don't think we need to complicate it any further.
Hold on, I don't want to complicate things either. I want to simplify them. Right now, you're doing the job of a computer. But let me ask you this. What happens when you want to grow? When you go from 100 prospects to 500 prospects a month, is your Excel system going to scale with you, or is it going to become a nightmare to manage?
I mean, we'll cross that bridge when we get there. For now, Excel is working fine, and we're just comfortable with it.
Listen, I've been doing this for 6 years, and every company that waits until they're drowning to fix their prospect management wishes, they started sooner. You know what the number one complaint is, though, from businesses that stick with spreadsheets too long? We lost so many opportunities. Don't let being comfortable today cost you growth tomorrow. Give me 15 minutes to show you what automated prospect management looks like. What's the worst that could happen? You confirm Excel is perfect?
All right. If it's only 15 minutes, I guess I could make some time.
Smart thinking. That's exactly what successful business owners do. They plan for growth, not just manage today. Let me show you how much time and opportunities you'll save with automated prospect management. How does tomorrow at 2 p.m. work for a quick demo? I'll show you exactly how SpotHub eliminates all the manual work you're doing in Excel.
Yeah, we can do two. Is that Central Time?
Yes, that's Central Time. Perfect. I'll send you a calendar invite for tomorrow at 2 p.m. CT. I'm looking forward to showing you how SpotHub can transform your prospect management and set you up for future growth. Talk to you then.
All right, Jeremy. Talk to you then. Bye.
Great. Thanks for your time. Talk soon.
Notice how the AI sales rep didn't trash spreadsheets, but just showed me why they simply don't scale? Bad.